Swanee's here to create another fantastic pasta dish. This one is very healthy.
Yes, Justine, it's a fantastic dish. We're using San Remo chickpea pulse pasta.
Nice.
And we're making Tabouli salad.
I love Tabouli.
Yeah, so some people put chickpeas in it. We're going to use the pasta.
Nice one. Okay.
Pasta needs to go in first. A good pinch of salt into your water.
Yep.
Okay.
Rapidly boiling.
Rapid, that's exactly right. So it's going to take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook.
Great.
All right. Now, give a little stir always when you add your pasta to the water. A must. Okay.
Don't want it to stick.
No, and you want it to cook nice and evenly.
Tell me a bit about the flavour of the chickpea pasta.
Well, I love chickpeas, okay? And I remember my nonna, when I was a little kid, making a chickpea pasta where she would get just broken, leftover packets of pasta, crush it all, cook chickpeas in a pot with stock and all the flavours like that. It was amazing, but the pulse pasta gives you all that. You get this really beautiful taste of the chickpeas, okay? And getting your carbs in, obviously, also. And with the freshness of the Tabouli salad, which you jumped into, you read my mind, dicing the onions.
I know I've started early, got ahead, but I'm assuming in your Tabouli you want these finely chopped.
Thank you very much.
We've worked together for too long now, Swanee.
It's been a while. So you do that. I'm going to just dice up these tomatoes, just into quarters. Beautiful array of different colours. So just dicing them up like so. Now, this salad, you can make this and have it for a couple of days in the fridge. It lasts. It's a cracker to have. You might do a little bit of grilled fish or some grilled chicken or a roasted lamb.
Or just have it as it's by itself. There's nothing wrong with that too.
Yes, I do seem to have that occasionally, just a nice big bowl of this. And it keeps me going all day long. That carbohydrates, good carbs, keeps you going in the kitchen, doing all those things.
Absolutely. So onions are done.
Lovely.
A little bit of celery for some crunch.
Yes, thank you very much.
And you just want this the same size as the onion?
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
Fabulous.
I'm going to also dice up the cucumber. Now, this is a Lebanese cucumber. Really, really good. I love Lebanese cucumbers. They don't have as much seeds in them. And I find them a little bit sweeter and works well for this dish.
Nice one. All right, well, we've got a lot of chopping to do, so we better get
Juz.
cracking.
Now, once the pasta is cooked, Juz, we're just going to run it under some cold water. Okay? And just that stops the cooking process, and then we bring it together.
Swan, look at this, a rainbow of vegetables.
Yes, and the pot of gold is our chickpea pasta, of course.
I'm going to try this plain.
You like it?
Yeah, I actually do. It's got a really nice nutty flavour. Beautiful.
It's fantastic. Justine, I need you literally to pick up all these wonderful ingredients, place it into the bowl with the pasta while I make a lovely dressing.
In one go?
One go, can you do it?
Not possible.
Okay, just so that pasta, we cooked it obviously for 8 to 10 minutes, then refreshed it under cold water, stopping the cooking process, and then we mix it all together, but you need the dressing. One sec, Just, you're too fast for me.
Okay, I'm just so excited to try it.
Well, it's a vegan dish, it's versatile for maybe a dinner party or the family or a date night, something like that.
Maybe a date night could be nice, but I don't know about that. I prefer like maybe spaghetti with
you like spaghetti?
Sauce.
You're more the saucy type of, okay, lovely.
Okay, stop it. So we've got some lemon juice, so keeping it nice and clean for the dressing.
I always get pips in mine, always, even with these fancy little utensils.
We don't want that.
Good amount of olive oil. Okay.
And do you want me to whisk while you do that?
Oh, fantastic.
Teamwork.
Look at that. Now, don't forget, we need some seasoning. Okay. Now, don't be scared. There's a good amount in there.
It's a lot of salt.
It's okay.
I'm not worried. I like salt because salt brings out all that flavour in each of those vegetables, particularly tomatoes. Tomatoes without salt, not so pleasant.
That's not possible. Okay, dressing in, all over the top. Give it a good mix.
And that pasta is going to absorb all those flavours.
Oh, don't you love those colours? Look at that.
Love those colours.
And like I mentioned before, this salad is fantastic 1 to 2 days later when all those flavours are combined together.
Yep.
Nice big serving platter.
Oh, that's good.
Fantastic.
All right, over to you.
To me? All right, I'll take these out. We'll place them there on the side. And look, this is how fancy chefs do it these days, all right?
You're so fancy, Swan. And that took very little time to prepare. It smells fantastic. The colours, we eat with our eyes. That looks like something I am absolutely going to enjoy by itself. Or like Swan said, piece of chicken or some grilled salmon. An absolute delight. Thank you.